The next rule that you really have to follow is you have to follow a diet. Now, for me, I hate diets. I don't really believe in diets in the sense of it being a fix. A diet is most of the time something that people do and then they go back to their old habits after they're done doing their diet, right? And they gain all this weight back. And this is sad because a lot of people sit there and go, oh wow, you look so good. What did you do? Well, I did that XYZ diet, right? Now, I didn't follow keto, but I did do mainly a kind of a keto diet. Now, say what you want in the comments or whatever. Oh, well, you didn't do the program. Listen, it's not up to you to judge me. Did I do it? Do I feel like I accomplished it in the heart? Of course I did. Because I changed my diet in the sense of how I feel, how I eat every day. I went from eating, quesadillas and, cookies and junk food a lot every day. I love, and this isn't a sponsor for them, but I love crumble cookies, right? For a while, if you don't know who crumble cookies are, I was in there every week, right? Because Crumble Cookies has a great marketing plan, if you ask me. They change up they have their chocolate chip and their sugar cookie, which are out every week. And then every week they change up the 4 main cookies to different flavors. And you never know when they're gonna be back. So I was in there every week going, oh, I gotta try it. I don't know what this cookie's gonna taste like. I don't know when it's gonna be back. I have to try this, right? So I did a lot of crumble cookies back in the day. I still do every once in a while now, but not even now. I think I've gone and had crumble cookies twice, maybe. That was 2 cookies. It wasn't a 4-pack. It was just I wanted to have a cookie because, well, I'm allowed to now. And so I changed this how I eat, what my habits are. I don't even have tortillas in the house. I don't have bread in the house. If I'm gonna have a burrito or something, I'm gonna go out and have a burrito. But I'm not gonna have the majority of those carbs and stuff in the house. It's still a lot of chicken and vegetables. And then every once in a while, I might have a drink, right? That's the other rule. Is as you follow this diet, whether you follow a hard and fast keto diet or whatever diet you want to call it, a liquid diet or whatever, that changes your liquid diet in this fashion as well. You can't have a liquor liquid diet. Try saying that 10 times fast. A liquor liquid diet. There's no liquor involved. You can't drink any alcohol for 75 days. Now, for some of you, you're like, I'm out. Can't do that. Is that a problem? I think that is all the more reason why you should do this program. That if you can't go 75 days without having a drop of liquor, beer, then maybe it's something that you should really look into for the program. To really toughen yourself out. This program isn't about doing a physical workout and becoming better physically more than it is mentally. That's what this program is for me. That's what this program was in my eyes, was about the mental game. Now you can see I've got a lot of books back there. I've got this poster I ended up making from 75 Hard, and just because I enjoyed the mental game of this.